Good morning and welcome to Coniston Coppice. Come and join us for a week away. We're going to be kayaking, paddleboarding, mountain biking. We've got our new awning up, so thank God we're going to be sheltered from the rain that's going to be happening. Come and have a great time with us. Easy peasy. Since competing the NC 500, we've added a few more practical features to our van to make our environment more comfy and user-friendly. The awning has been a godsend, offering shade and shelter over prolonged park-ups, and our new insulated screen and window cover from Rainbow Screens is definitely more effective than the internal screen covers we've been using. We now have made-to-measure cushions fitted to our bench sheet that were made at Humberside Upholstery in Scunthorpe. This establishment has been trading for decades and were half the price of alternative quotes we had and were made within a week, so do give these guys a call if you have any requirements, as they are happy to post. Our garage now is a little better organised too, with additional shelves that combine with a more rigid step over our water tank into bed and a cushion on the top, making for an additional seat. Down has also gone our galley flooring. The cushioned lino over ply on a 50mm of Celotex base makes for nice cosy feet.
They've got herbs. I needed some herbs yesterday to put in the salad, but they've got all sorts. They've got mint, rosemary, some chives.
So this is the second time we've been to Coniston Coppice, and last time we was here we took Arrow paddleboarding with us, but the paddleboard wasn't big enough, so we've gone and got ourselves a new bit of kit. Hello, now this is a spot the rain can't spoil, isn't it? If you're going to get wet anyway, you might as well do it while it's raining, at least it's warm. What do you think, Az?
You do get wet with these videos.
It's raining, who cares? It's only passing shower. Have you had the crisps? Handsome boy. A handsome boy. Oh, no, yeah. You got wet knickers? This morning we're heading out to Coniston Village itself, so do come and join us.
The dog forgot his toy. A short walk through the motorhome park gives full access to a variety of adventures. Turning left before the lake, paths will direct you along a lovely 3-mile walk to the village of Coniston and back again, with lovely views of the lake and the old man of Coniston mound that preside over the whole location. Coniston Village developed from an historic copper and slate mining industry, with traditional slate housing built on the steps of past mining activities. This now has created an idyllic, picturesque village with wonderful views for its residents over the lake and opposing mountains. The walk leads you directly into the heart of Coniston Village, where you'll find a host of amenities tailored to Coniston's more recent and well-deserved tourist industry.
Well, Coniston's an impressive little village. It appears that the whole village is built around 2 pubs.
There's more down there, look.
Oh yeah.
There's more.
Sunday lunch, gorgeous sunshine, Lake District, lovely views, and a pint of Ruby. Whoa. Cheers, guys. We made a detour on the way back to the campsite via Coniston Jetty, from where a host of boat rides and hire is available, and following more of the shoreline, Arrow could partake in his most favourite pastime. Beautiful day, beautiful blue skies, apart from what's coming. It wasn't long before the heavens opened, which was pretty much the theme for the rest of the week, but I guess those lakes just don't appear from nowhere. So we settled to making preparations for the next day's activities.
Right.
Today we're going to be dragging you up the old man of Coniston.
And I'm grabbing myself because we haven't done this in a long time.
Starting from our van, access to the old man of Coniston is a short 5-minute walk signposted well from the campsite entrance.
And we're off.
The single track opens over pasture land with breathtaking views over the Coniston Valley. To our left, the old man himself hides from view, and little were we to know would remain quite aloof for the rest of our journey. At 802 metres, the Old Man is one of the highest fells of the Lake District, whose name derives from 2 ancient Celtic words, Alt Main, meaning high stone. We soon know we are heading in the right direction, as every path now points upwards.
Now hopefully they'll think Azza is a sheep. He's like, well, he looks like a sheep, but he smells like a dog. I'm actually not going to tell Nicky that these are bulls until we get past them.
We find the well-maintained byway that guides you towards the summit, which was once access to historic mining activities. Our horses and cars would have struggled on these tricky sections, a reminder that a strenuous hike for us would have been daily work for many in a bygone age. The old man still hides from sight, but looking back rewards us with some wonderful views over Lake Coniston and views out over Morecambe Bay to the Isle of Man.
I'm on top of the world!
We start out on the final ascent, and then, 100 metres from the summit,
Hi guys, we've almost reached the summit and we've decided that this is a no-go. The weather's coming on us and can't even see the top. So we're aborted. That's us back, guys, from not doing Coniston. We've done 9 miles, haven't we?
Yeah, just under.
Yeah, but it wasn't a complete fail. Nikki lost her glasses. Oh, go on, you tell them.
Well, no, we got to say 682 metres and Coniston's 805, so we were nearly there, but the weather came in really bad.
It did come in bad.
But on the way up, I lost my sunglasses and you lost your waterproof jacket, and then on the way back down, you found your waterproof jacket.
And you found your glasses.
And I found my sunglasses.
So it was a win-win.
So it was win-win.
This is Tom and we met coming down Old Man of Coniston. Tom had a flat tyre on his bike, which is great because meeting up with him means that I've now got a biking buddy to do it tomorrow. So watch this space.
biking the Old Man is as much a challenge as walking it, and not without its dramas. A rear blowout resulted in a nasty pedal strike, and yet another scar to add to my collection. That afternoon we spent back out onto the water, which seemed to be the only activity we were doing without incident. We then made our journey home for a quick turnaround, as next up was the Why Not Festival. No hiking, no biking, no kayaking, just relaxing with good music. What could possibly go wrong?
Man, I get this work. All I do is work. All I do is work. All I do is work. Bessie B and man, I get this work. All I do is work. Yeah, all I do is work. Man, I get this work. Don't make money, then it don't make sense. You don't make money, then keep it 2 cents.